how to check if Nike shoes are original or not. Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to check if Nike shoes are original or not. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First up, real Nike shoes have a clean and symmetrical swoosh, the iconic Nike logo. Fakes often get it wrong. Next, genuine Nikes are all about top-notch quality. Check for sturdy materials, neat stitching, and overall good craftsmanship. Loose threads or glue stains could mean they're not real. Look at the shoebox for a holographic verification sticker. Tilt it and it should change colors showing the Nike logo. Fakes struggle to copy this. After that, inside the shoe, find the size tag. Real Nikes have clear printing, consistent fonts, and proper spacing. Blurry text or inconsistencies might indicate fake shoes. Also, modern Nikes often have a QR code. Scan it using the Nike app or website to check authenticity. If there's no QR code, it could be a fake. Remember, buy from official stores or the Nike website to make sure you're getting the real deal. So that's basically how you can check if Nike shoes are original or not. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.